Pareto's law, the 80-20 rule, or also known as the 80-20 principle, is all about efficiency and streamlining. It is the idea that 20% of the work gets you 80% of the results. And this is a mathematical principle that was noticed and seemed to transcend across different areas. And especially in sales, people often say that 80% of their business comes from 20% of their clients, which means that if they spend 80% of their time on the clients to get them 20% of their income, then they're not investing their time very well. This course is about the things that I've found that give me that 80% reward when I actually do very little. And that means it frees me up space to work on other areas to determine if that is balanced. When we start using this strategy of balanced development, then we make sure that all of our bases are covered before diving in deeper into any one area. But the first step is being aware that this is even something that exists and this is a way that we can approach it. And this is really the idea of getting a B plus or A minus in every single one of your categories. It's like making sure that you're passing all of your classes and doing decently well instead of just getting a really great grade in one of them and failing everything else. This is not about perfection. This is about being good enough to support you to get you to the next level. And believe it or not, different areas will feed back into one another and actually boost your overall capacity in the others.